Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra air sign. This is weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So Libra, let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Air sign Libra, what are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Libra and what's going on? What are the messages for Libra and what's going on? What are the messages for Libra? I think there is one type of ending in this connection. Libra, you want to end the things with this person and the Magician, but in near future you will be in this energy. You will manifest whatever you want. Your wishes are going to be granted because Nine of Cups is also here, and there is some transformation you are going through. So let's see your reading. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Scorpio or Virgo or Capricorn. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Star, Empress and Three of Swords. Maybe you are in separation with your person for some no contact. For some, if you are in relationship with your person, this is on and off connection. Because Three of Swords, you are in so much pain, you are missing them, but you overcome this pain, Empress, and you decided to move on from this person. Now you stand by your power, you achieved your balance, you're taking your control back. That was very good energy in past, even though it was painful, but you overcome that pain. Then present, Chariot, Capricorn and Ten of Pentacles. There is material stability, material success is coming towards you, lot of abundance, financial stability. In other words, I think there is no stability in the in relationship wise. There is no stability in relationship because Capricorn, the devil energy is here. This person may be toxic for you. This person is in and out of your life. There is no commitment. So that's why you decided to move on from this person. You are heartbroken. And the Cancer, the Chariot is here. There is very low movement, very less movement in this connection. So you decided to move on. You started move on from this person or from this connection. Then future, Page of Pentacles, Nine of Cups and the Hermit. So some message is coming, some apology. For some, children's also involved in this connection. Nine of Cups with the Hermit. Your wishes are going to be granted and you are undergoing some spiritual awakening, Libra, and you are not talking to anyone and you are undergoing spiritual awakening, and this is very major and important transformation for you because Scorpio is also here. That is also about transformation, and you want to end things with your person. For some, this person may be toxic for you. For some, there is some negative energies here. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Especially Cancer, Virgo or Scorpio. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Under the deck, Judgment. They are going to be make some decision. So their actions. First their feelings towards you. Then we will see their actions. Lot of cards. That's why I'm not taking. Their actions towards you, Libra. Your person actions. See, again the devil. Knight of Cups. There is love. Definitely your person have love for you because King of Pentacles, Ace of Cups and Knight of Cups. But the devil energy is here. So they have love for you, but there is no commitment in past. They're obsessed with you. For some, This is only for obsession, not about toxic energy. For some, maybe your person toxic for you. You know your situation more than me. So for some, there is no third party, there is no manipulation, there is only obsession. For some who are in third party situation, your person playing games with you, this is a toxic energy. So take what resonate. But this person have love for you. Maybe they realized after the separation. So now they really want to offer their cup of love to you. So let's see their actions. Then we will get more clarity. Libra, your person actions towards you. Maybe for some your person have options also. Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, for some your person keep putting you in waiting mode because Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Cups. They always giving you false hope. Yeah, they're telling they have love for you. They want to offer their love to you. But I think for some this person is toxic. They always keep giving you false hope because Seven of Cups with Seven of Pentacles, waiting, and Queen of Cups. They want to send message. In thinking wise, there is Ace of Cups and King of Pentacles, but action wise, only Princess of Cups. So there is no major King of Cups is here. So they're giving false hope, to be frank, and they are now maybe concentrating on their career. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Oh my god, dark. Dog is barking. Sorry guys for the sound. I can't do anything because I love dogs. Do you? Two of Cups. I think this is mutual love. You both have feelings, but there is no commitment. One side, this is one side. Maybe you are only the person always taking care of this relationship. Yeah, King of Swords. Maybe your person very logical minded. But right now they're undergoing some tower moment. You can expect some communication because King of Swords, they want to. But that communication is very logical. So let's see from your end. But right now your person undergoing some tower moment. So they are missing your attention. Libra. Yeah, communication is coming. Lots of. In near future there will be communication is coming, and this could be a strong spiritual connection between both of you. And High Priestess is here. You are trusting your intuition. You are listening to your inner self. Your higher guides are with you. Yeah, there are something. You are manifesting something big into your life, Libra, because the High Priestess with the moon. In another way, there are some mysterious in this connection. Your person may be hiding something from you. Yes, you are manifesting something big into your life. In starting reading, also you got Magician card. You are manifesting something big into your life. Yeah, for some there is no contact situation right now. There are some commitment issues, but there is communication is coming. So after the communication, maybe there is commitment. For some there will be reunion. For some it depends on your situation. Because right now there is no contact. Both are stand by their power. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Libra. Yeah, you stand by your power. You are taking your control back. You are juggling, and the Lovers and Four of Swords. You are undergoing some spiritual awakening. You are doing meditation to heal yourself. You are not talking to anyone. And love is there. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Sorry guys for the sound. Hierophant, commitment issues for some. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. We can't control animals. I love animals, especially dogs. So let's see. Queen of Swords, Five of Swords, Seven of Wands, and Five of Cups. So your person energies. So overall energy, they're feeling sad, they're missing you. They can't let you go. They will fight for attention, Libra. And there are a lot of things. They may be hurt you in past. Now they realize your worth. And there is communication. I think Queen of Swords and King of Swords. I think you both are powerful couple. You both are straightforward in nature. Yeah. They will fight for your attention. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Libra. Friendship. For some, you both are very, very good friends. Decision time. For some, your person may be putting you in friendship zone also. I have too much going on my life. And I am feeling sad without you. Lost card. I want to express my love. For some player, because toxic energy is there. For some, this person could be a player and could be toxic for you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Libra. So take decision wisely. They are giving you false hope again and again. There is no point to wait or to give another chance. The energy is gaining momentum. Yes, there is communication is coming if you are not seeing, but the energy is gaining momentum. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.